Hello everyone, welcome back to Davos video and our Wikidpad reference tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to make a straight line. So when it comes to making straight lines, you're right to assume that it's a fairly simple process. However, we're going to go over a couple different options. So let's jump down to making a straight line. So first, you can notice here that beneath all of my headers and even separating this page from the footnotes, I'm using these straight lines. Now, the nice thing about this is I can actually zoom in the page or zoom out on the page, and the lines are consistent. They go all the way across, and I don't have to make any adjustments. The problem with making a straight line manually, with doing your underscore, say, and running this all the way across the page, is that it might be thicker, it might be a little bit darker, but it's only going to go so far. Or maybe you go too far. You notice down here at the bottom of my page, I do not have a left and right scroller. However, if I keep adding this like this, all of a sudden my line runs off the edge of my page and I've got this left and right scroller with a bunch of extra space that I'm not using. That is an option, but I don't recommend it. You can see here, the way I like to make my straight lines is using the HR code or command. So we can see this in preview. Gonna do a backward slash, less than greater than sign, HR, greater than less than sign. And we'll look at this in preview. So this is the code to make a straight line that auto corrects for however wide your page is. So even if I make my page smaller, you guys can see that these autocorrect for that spacing. Another way to do this is you can copy and paste this code, HR size equals 1, or whatever value you want to put in there. We covered this in another video, so I won't go over it again today. But this is just another option for you to do it. The code is useful because it self-adjusts to the size of the screen. Depending on where you place the code, in line with the text, below the text, above the text, etc., it will affect the presentation of the line. This is just a lot of work to do something that you can do with just this small code. It's a lot easier, it's a lot faster, and it's a lot more dependable than putting in your lines manually. I hope this video is helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.